You were working. You were working hard. Weren't you? ചോദ്യമാണ്. Weren't you? You were not working hard. Were you? Question. You were working hard, weren't you? And you are not working hard, were you? അടുത്തത്. They were playing. Weren't they? Okay. They were not playing. Were they? ഇവിടെ പോസിറ്റീവ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ടാഗ് നെഗറ്റീവും ഇവിടെ നെഗറ്റീവ് സെൻറ്റൻസ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ടാഗ് പോസിറ്റീവുമാണ്. ഓക്കെ. She was thinking. She was thinking. Wasn't she? Question. She was not thinking. Was she? Yes. I was arranging a trip to Tea. Wasn't I? ചോദ്യമാണ്. I was not arranging a trip to Tea. Was I? ഇത്തരം കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറയാൻ നമ്മൾ ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ടാഗ് വെച്ച് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. See next. He had given a pen. He had given a pen. Hadn't he? Okay. He hadn't given a pen. Had he? ഇത്തരം കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. He hadn't given a pen. Had he? Then they had adjusted. Hadn't they? Okay, then question mark should be there. They had not adjusted. Had they? Okay, ഇത്ര കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ടെൻസിൽ പറയും. നെക്സ്റ്റ്. He will. Next one is he will. He will make a cup of tea. So, ഇത് സെന്റൻസ് നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണ്. Won't you? Won't he? Sorry, won't he? Won't he ആണ്. He will make a cup of tea. Won't he? Yes. She will purchase a saree. won't she? Okay. She will not purchase a sari. Will she? Okay. Will she എന്നാണ് വരുന്നത്. I shall make ghee rice. Ghee rice. Shan't I? Okay, this is a question. I shall not make ghee rice. Shall I? Okay. Then you will come soon. You will come soon. Won't you? Question. Won't you? You will not come soon, or you won't come soon. Will you? Question mark. You will come soon. Won't you? You won't come soon. Will you? We shall purchase the building. Shan't we? Okay. Negative sentence. We shall not purchase the building. Shall we? Okay. Next. We or they shall have adjusted. Shan't they? They shall ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത് ഉറപ്പിനെ കാണിക്കാനാണ്. Shan't they? Yes. Next. Raju will attain his goal. Won't he? Krishna, won't he? Raju will not attain his goal. Will he? ഇത്തരം കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നു. I shall. Shan't. Yes. You should study well. Should you? Shouldn't you? Yes, this sentence is positive. Shouldn't you? Okay. You should not follow this way. Should you? ഇവിടെ സെന്റൻസ് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്, ടാഗ് നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണ്. ഇവിടെ സെന്റൻസ് നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണ്, ടാഗ് പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്. Okay. You may adjust yourself. Mayn't you? Okay. Yes. You may not buy a car or bike. Buy a bike. May you? Okay. Next. You ought to protect. Ought to protect your parents. Oughtn't you? You ought not. You ought not keep this view. Ought you? Okay. Must. You must. You must. Tell all things frankly. Mustn't you? You must not. Tell the lies. Must you? Okay. ഇത്തരം കാര്യങ്ങൾ പറയാം നമ്മളൊക്കെ. I can lift the box. Can't I? I cannot lift the box. Can I? Okay. You can play well. Can't you? Okay. You cannot make a sentence. Can you?